Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Epic Games account using Nintendo ID. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in epicgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Epic Games website where you can click on the account icon at the top right corner to log in. You will then end up within the login page. Now, if you have the Epic Games Launcher application on your system, you can simply open it up and this will also take you into the login page directly. In order to log in using your Nintendo ID, just click on the Nintendo logo underneath the sign in button. This will then open up the login portal for Nintendo. If you already have an account, you can click on the sign in button at the left side and now you will simply need to enter your credentials. Type in your email address or your user ID within the given box, and underneath, within the password box, you can type in your account password. Finally, click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Epic Games account using your Nintendo ID right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot your password option in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Epic Games account using your Nintendo ID. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.